Ka Sorkar Jilla Kalarai ban Ajingmut Shaka Parliamentary Standing Committee ka Rajya Sabha ban Wengno eka Ketin Village Municipal Council ban besu bujili da Ketin Dorbar Shnong Dorbar Raj Dorbar Hima ha kajing terwa ban penkelaya ka Kernit ka Bahanreo ka Riti Sensyar Kari ka jingelang bakadu ka Committee on Amendment of 6th Schedule ka Riti Sensyar Kari balakle do Menteri Ketenat District Council Affairs James Kesangma Klaisong mentakasengi ka Arpun Riturik Unailor bat kala menjuri ka nega jing Ajingmut James ulai tho ban nalor ka ne ka komiti kelaya ther bat menjuri ka jing Ajingmut baka jingbun ki MDC hak hasil Autonomous District Council kan de tang lai phuengut kata arngut de ban suse kuntup ka wei ka kanthai om de ban penkeu ka jingbun saka sauphongut menteri ketenat DCA ulong baka komiti kala menjuru ban pha saka Parliamentary Standing Committee Rajya Sabha ban wengno eka gentien ban ai bha ki wei pat ki jaj ban riu lom ne unrepresented tribes hak KHADC bat GHADC katkum ke jingong menteri ke District Council Affairs yakini ke jing Ajingmut la menjur ka komiti ban pha pat saka Parliamentary Standing Committee ka Rajya Sabha ban besu iki menteri ulai thu ban nalor kini la emerjingmut ru bat ki wei pat ki mat ki bede bat kane ka banta kumjuru unongkran ka Megalia Indigenous Tribe Constitutional Rights Movement uba Samuel Bijerwa ula kubur ka jingong menteri ka DCA bala menjur ban wengno eka kentien ban ai bha iki wei ki riulum bar kumju la menjur ka KHDC baka jingdon ki MDC kan long betang lai phuengut badru ban pendu ne wengi ketin Village Council ne Municipal Council hak KHDC bat GHDC.
The word unrepresented tribe should be removed, so yes, we will be forwarding that to the standing committee. There are many recommendations there. I'll just mention one more, okay, because it's very exhaustive. But the other one is regarding the constitution of the use of the word village councils. So Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills both have traditional institutions which are democratically elected. These are self-governance institutions, and so there was a feeling that village councils is not required in Khasi and Jaintia Hills because we already have traditional institutions which are newly elected. So in the case of KHADC and GHADC, that is Jaintia and Khasi Hills, it was recommended that we will remove the word, that they will be excluded, a proviso will be inserted wherein it will recommend that village council should not be there for Khasi and Jaintia Hills. However, in Garo Hills, the Village Council Act was passed in the year 1958. So therefore, since there is no traditional institution which is elected in Garo Hills, and the Village Council Act was passed in 1958, the Village Council will continue to be relevant in to prevail in Garo Hills, but not in Khasi and Jaintia Hills. Is prepared, we will be taking the approval of all the members, and if there is any kind of typing typo or any kind of mistake in the drafting, we will make those necessary corrections after the members have gone through it, and then after that we will send it to Parliament. Yes, I'll just mention a few of them. There were a few points which the members had raised. Coming from the district council, they had raised concerns about the fact that, not concerns, but they had raised a point about the number of seats. So there was kind of mismatch between what the district councils had wanted in terms of the number of representatives, those who will be elected and those which will be nominated. So we have decided to take the suggestions given by the district councils on that matter and incorporate that into our
village council pada kali ketian couple of tahun sarlang khamtam village council ko asam wat ko Garo Hills kita dengan village council ka act 1958 de pandemi hang dia dah tahu ngi perlu dia traditional institution ka bomut kidor wasnong kidor Raj kidor Hima bat mentah dia minta ban ong ko kidor perlu ngi ketian dia ingat bagan standing committee jong sabha kan sim ni jira jumut dan perlu hakan ni kapil kepada